Our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Rolly Casilian, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Efren Gaa, International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our defending champions, our Lady Troopers of the Philippine Army. Let's start off with the team captain with jersey number 7. Tina Sala. At number 3, Joanne Bunag. Wearing jersey number 9, Michelle Carolino. At number 4, Mayet Carolino. Wearing jersey number 1, Yari Yonko. And at number 13, Rachel Ann Dakis. Libero number 6, Angela Nunag. Head coach, Sergeant Rico De Guzman. Calling on our Lady Tamaraos from FEU Compass. Wearing jersey number 2, Angeline Tabaquero. At number 12, team captain, Giselle C. Wearing jersey number 8, Mary Remy Joy Palma. At number 14, Sangmuang Pachari. At number 1, Ivy Remulia. And wearing jersey number 15, Gwyneth Eulalio. Libero number 3, Charlene Giliego. Head coach, Mr. Nestor Pamilar. Good luck to both teams.
Ayan na po, starting lineup, pinakilala na po para sa dalawang kuponan natin. Uy, cheers.
Cheers, isa yung dalawa na yan.
Hindi, ito. Mamaya syempre, huwag mo na sabihin. Pero ito nga po, last game na po nitong kuponan ng FEU dito sa liga natin. Of course, no chance of making it to the Final Four. Pero mahaba kwentuhan yun ni Nes Pamilar kanina.
Oo,
before the start of the game.
Mga flashbacks.
Usapang retro.
Mga
ganun,
rewinds.
Retro.
Reruns.
Tuesday pa lang, hindi pa Friday. Usually, Friday yung mga retro na yan.
Mga 80s.
80s.
Yeah, 80s. The 90s, early 90s.
Well, ano naman tayo Isipin naman natin na institusyon na rin tayo.
Although naman, talaga napag-usapan din namin ng madami. Itong si Palma.
Yeah. I was actually also, kanina kasi, tanda
yeah.
natin si Palma is actually nursing an injured ankle into this game. I'm covering that match nung napilay siya. And grabe yung healing powers nitong batang to. It looked like it was a major sprain when it happened because hindi na siya nakabalik sa game na yun. But yet, she played in the last game and here she is again.
That's right. And sabi nga ni Coach Nes, unang-una maganda nga yung attitude ng bata. And ang tanging bilin niya for this conference is that she learns yung blocking. Hindi man opensa
Right.
Hindi pa niya inaasahan sa offense.
Tingnan mo naman kung sino teacher niya doon sa harapan. Former, itong si Ivy Remulia, former Lasal Lady Archer. And
Star player.
And former captain of the Thai national team.
Yup.
Nandiyan si Sangmuang.
Yeah.
Tapos meron pa siyang Irish patrona.
Sobrang dami.
May Angelita Baquero pa siya.
Pag hindi ka pa natuto niyan, ay. Diba?
Bunag now to serve 2-1 FEU early here in the first set. Giselle C. That is going to be a hesitation error actually.
That's right. She didn't know what to do with that ball. It was really close to the net. At mali pa yung pagkaharap niya. So, pumasok sa kabila. And the violation, of course, was called.
It's Fun Family Pizza's gotta be shaky. And speaking of the former captain of the Thai national team, ayan na po si Sangmuang Pachari with her first attack. She's already, hindi halatang 35 years old,
Oo
35 years old.
Wow.
Here's 17-year-old Remy Palma on the serve. There's the attack by Yari Yonko, who gets a start here today. Mayet Carolino has to get it across. Here's Giselle C. Quick set to Gwyneth Eulalio. Nunag is there. Salak with the setup now for Michelle Carolino, still nursing that injury. Here's the attack from Ivy. And a long rally right now as Mayet gives it up. Palma, C, goes to Sangmuang. And a great dig by Dakis, but Nunag is not able to keep it in play.
Well, miscue also on the side of the Philippine Army on that third ball.
Ganda na nung save doon ni Dakis eh. But it is a 4-2 early lead for the former team of Rachel Ann Dakis, the FEU Lady Tamaraws. Remy Palma on the serve. Oh, bad read by Dakis that time. A service ace for Palma.
She let that one go, thinking she was, kasi meron yan eh, meron spot sa
Right.
court na alam mong lalabas na yung bola, but that went in for Palma.
So 5-2 FEU early. And that one is, hindi na kailangan basahin ni Dakis yun. Talagang lalabas. That's scary also para dito naman kay Palma, no? Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. She just turned 17
A few days
a
ago.
few days ago, September 8. Pero
Mama
makikita
Mary.
mo naman, ano bang height nito as Ivy gets the point? Ano ba height niya? She's about
Siyang katong bata and a lot of progress ahead of her. Ang gusto lang ni Coach Ness, di ba minsan may nakikita ka player na alam mo gagaling eh. We just know. And Palma, she thinks is one of those players.
meantime, one of Nes Pamilar's former players, Rachel Ann Dakis, not able to get it done. So an early 4-point lead for FEU. Sang Buang, great serve. Salak now on the setup for Dakis. Sang Buang keeps it alive. Tabaquero for Ivy, who hits it into the net.
That was far away from the net. Hindi masyadong gusto ni Ivy yung ganyang set. Although, kanina, before that, Ivy scored one from a down-the-line hit.
7-4. Here's Mayat Carolino. Gillego. C. Combination now for Angge. C. One more time. This time going to Ivy. Turned back by Dakis.
Well, it was a short set by Giselle C. Hinabol lang ni Ivy to get to that attack.
So that's back-to-back points now for the Philippine Army, the defending champions. Mayat once again on the serve. Sang Muang, Giselle C. Quick set to Gwyneth Eulalio.
That's right.
At kahit alam ni Nunag kung saan pupunta yung bola, bilis lang ng execution ng FEU. And the Lady Tamaraws have a 3-point lead.